here
That's
tonight?
my son, Cordell.
Hi. How do you feel seeing your father get honored tonight?
It felt good. You know, he really deserved it. His work ethic is out the roof, and he's a good man overall.
Here. Listen, we're so excited to see you come back to The Voice. What are you most looking forward to?
Building my team. I love building that team. That team is special when you build that team. You build the camaraderie and just the competition of it all. Being able to mentor and, enlighten people that's trying to do what you're doing.
Yeah, and lastly here, Hoda wrote your incredible profile for this. What is the bond that you two share?
It's just a queen with a king, you know what I mean? Somebody that just genuinely loves somebody and honors the spirit of who they are. So honored to have her as a friend. She's a true friend for speaking on me, and just love when we spend time with each other. It's a great feeling.